everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I have posted, and honestly life's kind of just been hard this year. I haven't filmed a video about it or really explained my absence, but I lost my father this past year, and then we lost Nick's grandpa about a month and a half later, and life's just kind of been difficult to navigate this year, and I just haven't quite had the motivation to post on my channel consistently. But I am hoping to change that because honestly, filming for YouTube and editing and just like posting videos really does bring me joy. So I'm trying to get back into that. And I figured what better way to do that than to jump into a cleaning video. I think around this time last year, we actually did an extreme clean of this same garage. And as you can see, it got back into a terrible state. I feel like since moving to Florida, there's just no storage in our home. And the garage just becomes like a hodgepodge of mess and things just get thrown in here and the kids play in here. And it's a million excuses as to why it's constantly messy. But Nick and I decided we were going to go ahead and tackle this week while all the big kids were at school. It took us quite a few hours. We were definitely sweating by the end of it, but the garage is usable again and it's clean again and it feels great. So thank you all so much for all of your support and still supporting my videos, even though I've kind of been absent for a while. If you are new around here, my name is Sarah. Welcome. I am a mommy to 6. My family and I have been living in Florida for about a year now. We moved here last year from Kentucky, and it has been great so far. But with all of that being said, I hope that you all enjoyed today's video. I would love to have you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And with that being said, let's jump right into cleaning.
I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. It's where I kissed you for the first time, laid on your sheets. You gave me your heart and said you trusted with me, but all I did was let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention. Maybe we should have been friends.
I don't know if you all have this problem in your home, but in our house, it seems like we have an abundance of bags that we no longer use. Bags that are broken, bags that they've had for years, etc. I guess it's just a combination of all of the kids' things, bags that were given, etc. But for this particular space, this is where I like to keep the kids' sports bags. That way they are convenient as we're heading out the door, and also so it keeps the stench of them outside because quite frankly, soccer bags smell terrible. So I really wanted this space to just be usable, practical, and uncluttered. So I'm going through getting rid of bags we no longer use and then reorganizing this space. I'm also going to be cleaning off this table. You may recognize it from my old videos if you've been around for a while. It was our entry table in Kentucky, but there's not a good spot for it in this house. So instead, I kind of just use it to hold all of our shoes, hold our keys, etc. out here in the garage. And I really needed to sort through all of the shoe bins, go ahead and get rid of shoes that no longer fit the kids, get them in a donate pile, just clean it off and declutter it. Honestly, it had kind of just become a mess. So I'm going to take a little bit of time and work on this space right here. And honestly, it felt so good to get this space organized once again.
You're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should have known. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. Maybe I should have known. I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you. Got a million stupid reasons not to call. It's just that I want to. Do you remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit in? And how we used to walk those empty streets at night in the city lights is where I saw you for the last time. Said our goodbyes, sat in the car. You saw the pain in my eyes, but I just couldn't let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention. Maybe maybe we should have been friends. So you're someone I used to.
We'll notice that we have several of the seats from our van in the garage currently. These are not staying, and we were kind of just trying to get them out of the way for the time being. Nick's aunt and uncle are actually moving out of their home this week and moving into a new one, and so we took the seats out of our van to help them with their moving process. So we kind of just had to get them out of the way for the time being until we can put them back into our bus. If you are new around here, we actually drive a Ford Transit because we have 6 kids and it's really the only thing that fits us. So it also doubles as a moving truck when you need it to, which is super convenient. Also, if you remember from last year's video, I moved all of my decor that I was not currently using out here to the garage, and it took up 2 full shelves. But recently I have lent out a lot of my decor just to some friends around the area because it's just been taking up space in my garage. I feel like where we're in a rental right now, I just haven't really had a lot of motivation to decorate very many spaces. I kind of have the house the way I want it, and I don't really want to invest any more money or time, honestly, into decorating this house. So I was able to consolidate a lot of this decor since I had loaned so much of it out, and it felt good to kind of like clear up this space a little bit.
But nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should have known. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. But maybe I should have known. Guitar. So you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should have known. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. But maybe I should have known.
If you watched my video from last year when we cleaned out the garage, you may remember these bike racks that we got off of Amazon. We actually ended up ordering a second one because we have so many bikes because we have 8 people in our family. They are like $40 on Amazon. I'll link them below. They are a super great investment. It has helped clear up so much space in our garage since this garage is a little bit tighter. Also, we have learned that we have to like utilize the ceiling. Right here, we actually tried hanging this double stroller here. I really only use the double stroller whenever I go to like the zoo and stuff like that now. But as you can see, it was kind of in the way, so we actually ended up moving it a little bit later on further back in the garage. But using the ceiling has definitely been a must in this small space since we have to use it for a storage room. We have to hold all of the kids' toys, all of the tools, etc. It kind of just is a very multi-functioning, multi-purpose space, and we need every square inch. Here's a glimpse at the final product. It feels so good to have this space cleaned once again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already. If you do need more motivation though, I'm going to go ahead and link last year's garage cleaning right here in the cards, as well as another cleaning video.